Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Alia Zawani, Binti Yusof, and my matric number is 1190541.
My name is Aqilah Maisarah Binti Zamri. My matrix number is 1190546. What is Lubuntu OS? Lubuntu is a fast and lightweight operating system with a clean and easy to use user interface. Lubuntu is a member of the Unix family of operating system, and it is a direct derivative of Ubuntu. Lubuntu is a flavor of Ubuntu that aims to be more lightweight than some of other flavors Ubuntu has to offer. So here we will briefly explain about the installation of Lubuntu. Just to inform so there will be no confusion, both of our desktop were connected by TeamViewer for remote control purpose. So the taskbar as we mark will always appear in the screen. For this assignment, we use VM VirtualBox as virtual machine workstation. After that, we create a virtual machine for Lubuntu. Then we install the Lubuntu in virtual machine, which is Lubuntu 20.04 version. Next is the steps to get the IP address of the VM. Then after we start the Lubuntu, the next process of command is to see if we success in pinging both the VM and the host. For the VM Lubuntu, ping process was done in the terminal. As the result, there is no lost packet for both ping process.
Next, we will proceed to run the Nmap command in the command prompt. So the first command is to scan the TCP acknowledgement scanning for the port number 80. From the Wireshark, we can capture the acknowledgement packet. The next command is to scan the TCP sync port. So in the Wireshark, it appears number 1 in the flags in the at the TCP sync set. The next Nmap command is to scan the TCP connect port number 80 by send command nmap -st. It will give the sync packet. Next command is sn, which is to scan the TCP null port.
So as we can see in the Wireshark, there is no set flags because the null scan does not contain any set flags.
The next command is to scan the TCP finish packet. The next, which is TCP Xmas scan, which is include urgent flags, push flags, and finish flag.
Lubuntu advantages over the other OS. Lubuntu runs great on older computers. It is specifically designed to run on outmoded hardware with limited memory and CPU resources. It is easy for the latest systems as well as for lower resources computers and older systems. There are cases about installing this Lubuntu on the laptops, and based on our experience too, the process to install Lubuntu is very smooth, not like the other OS such as Cubes. Lubuntu are more familiar to WinXP users than Ubuntu. Lubuntu is the best micro OS for WinXP users after the loss of ongoing Microsoft support on WinXP. The Lubuntu desktop looks pretty much like the WinXP desktop. Programs can be launched by double-clicking icons on the desktop or from Lubuntu's equivalent of the Start button. Many things we have to figure out while using Ubuntu, such as how to place shortcut Start button and others. As conclusion, we need to invest more time to figure out Ubuntu than the Lubuntu.